What up, you guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today I am just from Pasadena, some fun, and yeah. This is the before outfit, just the robe, and yeah, this is my new outfit today. A mask on. I like the mask. Yeah, amazing. Hey, say hi to my mom. Mom, say hi to the vlog. So, I am going to try something I don't usually do. I don't think I've ever done it before. And that is true. I haven't ever done it. This is ASMR with Harley. And that's the daily rap. Hey, my name is Harley, and I'm here to say, you know what I like to do, or I like to party, and I just said my name, now I want some fame, and I got a lie to get, and I'm not real lame, so come on, yeah. You know who I be, you know I won't be free. Well, I won't be free from this economy. Hey, yeah, that's me. Daily rap. Okay, so I just left Sunday school. As you can see, I'm a little sweaty. But now we're on the way to Pasadena, and it's going to be very fun, I hope. And like I said earlier, a few surprises for you guys later on in the vlog. But yeah, next stop, Passedena. I'm recording, Mom.
Harley, can you give me the bag of chips in the middle?
Okay, so I'm still in the car. We just stopped at Trader Joe's. My mom's and just getting some fruit. And so the first surprise is that today we actually have a few filmmaking stuff. We have a filmmaking goal for today. And do you know what that goal is? Easy. Pretty simple. Well, it's that what we have to do is, the goal is to try to get as many dope shots of the house we're going to as possible. The dope shots of the outside, of the river, of the bridge, of the whole house. And yes, you might think I'm talking about a resort. I'm literally talking about a house that has a river, a hammock, a bridge that goes over the river, a backyard, an amazing house. It's very beautiful. So we gotta get as many dope shots as possible, and yeah, so I will see you when we're there. Oh. Yes. I'm Jen, you know who I am. I'm actually editing the vlog right now, but I'm realizing multiple things. One, I'm so sorry the audio was bad. The mic wasn't working that day, and I don't know why. Like, when you turned it on, it wasn't turning on. If any of you guys know how to fix it, that would be good. But you probably need to see the mic, and it's in the other room. I can't grab it now, but yeah. The other thing is, I know I said there would be a few surprises, and I only said one surprise, and you just saw the end goal. The goal was to make some dope shots, and we did that goal with those dope shots. So, but there's one more surprise, and I forgot to tell you guys, but it's my new film competition, and it's a simple competition where you hit the link in the description below, and you tell me of course you gotta like, subscribe, and then there's a comment on the video that you did the form, and the form, which is the first link in the description, is a form where you can tell me your film idea, your idea for the film, for any type of film, and then if I like it, I might turn it into a film, because I own Amazing Entertainment, which is, and it's just gonna be pretty cool. So that's one surprise. Also, yeah, I'm really excited about the audio. And yeah, also there was way more footage to this vlog, but it was all on a different camera, and that camera broke the other day. My dad dropped it. He was holding it, and then he just completely dropped it on the ground, and it's completely broken. So we can't use that footage. But I'll just tell you that footage is of me sitting in the hammock, showing around the backyard. Well, going from the backyard to the second backyard to the hammock, going up the hike that I have in the backyard. And yeah, it's really beautiful, really amazing. But yeah, I'm so sorry that we couldn't get all that. Yeah. Also, we also had pizza that day. I got to eat some vegan cheese pizza, so that was fun. Could have vlogged that, and I did, but broken camera. I also watched a movie. There were no other kids. I was the only kid there. But there were some amazing people there, and I'll list the people right now. There was 2 of my uncles, 3 of my cousins, so Nicole, and another cousin, I forgot his name, I'm just blanking on it. Their brother and sister, they're both adults. Nicole actually works for Insider in New York. So if you search on Google, Nicole Einbinder, EINBINDER, and then it says, and then you put Insider after that, she works for Insider, investigative journalism. And then my other cousin, his name is Aaron, he's in high school, I'm pretty sure, and yeah, so that was pretty fun. I got to meet all of them. And then my other cousin's new girlfriend was there, which was really nice to meet her. And then lots of other people were there. That were, of course, my family. So, yeah. I watched a movie. Peace out, you guys. Oh, wait for it. Peace out. Make sure to like, subscribe, do all of that. And then have a happy day. And we go peace out.